What is up everybody? It's time for another episode of Sam Arcade. Hi, I am Sam and I welcome all of you to my channel. In this amazing video, we are going to take a look at a beautiful Linux distro named Garura Linux. This distro is based on Arch Linux. Garura Linux comes with its own chaotic AOR repository, which provides additional and more up-to-date packages for your system. Which means it also packs additional packages for gaming, and it also makes this distro heavy when it comes to system requirements. And Garura Linux only supports the Btrfs file system, so keep that in mind. In this video you will see the manual installation process, the testing of Garura Linux, and later some tips and tricks, and in the end a gameplay demo. Now to download Garura Linux, go to their main website named garuralinux.org. On their website you will find the system requirement and their distro's flavors. Their most famous one is Garura KDE Dragonized, but you can choose any one of them. And for this video, I am going to test the Dragonized version. And I have a request, if you guys like my content, then please consider subscribing to my channel. So let's get started. When you boot Garura Linux, you can choose between the open source graphics drivers, or if you have an Nvidia graphics card, then you go with Nvidia's proprietary graphics drivers. Now we are inside the live image of Garura Linux, and we have Garura Linux's welcome screen. And look, we have so many tools like Garura Assist. Garura Gamer is available for us to try before we even install Garura Linux. Make sure to test Garura Linux yourself before installing it on your system. Now click on the Install Garura Linux button. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Click Next. Now choose your region. Click Next. Choose your keyboard layout. Click Next. Now choose your drive wisely. I am going to install Garura Linux on a SD card. You can either choose to go with the erase disk option or go with the manual partitioning option. I am going with manual partitioning option. Select your partition if exists, then click on the new partition table button, select GPT and hit OK. Now select the unallocated volume. Allocate 512 MB for the EFI boot partition. For the file system, choose FAT32. The mount point will be /boot/EFI. Then choose the boot flag. Now allocate approximately 52 GB for the root partition. For file system, our only option is Btrfs. Flag will be root. Then mount point will be /. The last one will be our swap partition. For file system, choose Linux swap. Then choose the swap flag. Our partitions are ready. Click on the next button. Create your username and password. And do not forget to uncheck the login automatically option. Click on the next button again. Verify your partitions are created properly or not. Then click on the install button. Wait for the installation to complete. It's time to reboot our system. And do not forget to unplug the bootable USB from the USB port. Garona Linux welcomes us with the Garona Setup Assist. This step is necessary to properly upgrade Garona Linux for the first time. Click OK. Enter your password. Now Garona Linux is providing us with its pre-configured packages. You can choose any option as per your liking. Hit OK. Then uncheck the Show this dialog at Startup option. If you want to play some games right now, then you should definitely choose the Garona Gamer option, because it provides various emulators and game launchers and many other packages necessary to play games on Linux right from the start. But we are Linux users. Open terminal. Type lspci space -nnk. And look, my DGPU uses Radeon kernel drivers. Let's see if Garona Linux properly installed the GPU drivers for my AMD Radeon 520. Type dri_prime equals 1 space Vulkan info, then hit enter. No segmentation fault. This means my GPU drivers are working properly. But let me tell you some necessary dependencies if you have AMD's dedicated GPU. Type sudo pacman space -S space mesa space xf86 video AMD GPU space Vulkan Radeon space libva mesa driver space libva vdpau space driver. If they do not exist on your system, then install them. Oh, I forgot to tell you about one more package to install called AMD VLK. AMD VLK is necessary for those games that utilize Vulkan. Because my GPU is using Radeon kernel driver, which means NVTop will not work. See, my GPU isn't there. So what I can do is utilize Radeon Top instead of NVTop. Type sudo space pacman space -S space Radeon Top. To launch Radeon Top, type Radeon Top. Then to test our GPU, I'm going to launch GLX Gears with the DRI prime equals 1 option enabled. As you can see, the GPU is now running the test. Now to manually install Wine on our system, type sudo space pacman space dash capital S space wine space wine dash mono space wine dash gecko space wine tricks. Now create a folder to store the wine prefix. Then type wine prefix equals folders location space wine boot. As you can see, Wine Prefix created a virtual CD drive and configuration files related to it. I already copied a game for testing. And I already modded GTA San Andreas with a widescreen patch and DXVK patch. And this version of GTA San Andreas doesn't require DirectX to run. And its exe files are also 64-bit, so keep that in mind. Now to run game without any kind of issue, we need a custom version of Wine named WineGE Custom. Click on the releases section. Then copy the download link for the latest version of WineGE. Then make a hidden folder named .wine-ge. Type wget, then paste the download link space dash capital P tilde / .wine-ge. Then to extract the WineGE, type tar space dash xvf space tilde / .wine-ge / name of the file space dash capital C space tilde / .winege. Now change the name of the folder from lutris-ge-proton to something simple to remember. This part is optional and it's up to you what kind of games you want to play. To install DirectX and Visual C++ runtime inside our Wine Prefix type wine prefix equals tilde / PC_games space wine tricks space D3DX9 space VC run 2010. Now it is time to create a script that will launch our game with the custom version of Wine. Type export wine prefix equals quotation mark dollar home forward slash PC underscore games. Export wine equals quotation mark dollar home forward slash dot wine ge slash wine slash bin slash wine. Export space wine arch equals win64 for 64-bit and win32 for 32-bit. CD quotation mark dollar home slash games slash GTA dash san DRI underscore prime equals 1 space dot slash GTA dash SA dot exe. Save it and exit. Now let's launch the game.
Puto! Delay of game.
Grove Street. Home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
I'ma have to borrow this bike. I'm a one-man gang. Yeah. You understand the dude came with the knife? Hey, have you ever done that? No, what?
The game is fully playable and it is running flawlessly. That's it for today's video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then make sure to hit like button and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you will never miss out my latest videos. And if you have any kind of feedback or suggestion, then feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.